Hello, I'm Rachel Jones for Kalkine Media. Welcome to another edition of Executive Corner Expert Talks. In this edition, I'll be speaking with Don Smith, Managing Director of Tempest Minerals. Now, Tempest is an Australian-based mineral exploration company with a diversified portfolio of projects in Western Australia. Hi there, Don. Welcome to the show.
Good day, Rachel. How are you?
Good, thank you. Good to see you back again. Now, we know that Tempest considers the target zones at Melia in WA to be one of the most exciting greenfields-based and precious metal upside exploration opportunities in the industry today. Now, can you tell me a little more about this?
Sure. The Melia project is part of our Yalgoo larger project holdings. The Melia project came about because, earlier in the history of the region, we were doing some work nearby on some gold prospects, and we realised there was an anomaly in the geology, and the geology maps from the government didn't quite match what the data we were seeing. And what we recognised was that there's a particular sequence of rocks which host multiple world-class ore bodies. And we realized that these rocks go into an area that has never been looked at before, and that is now the Melia project. So the reason it is so exciting is A, it is the right type of rocks which host multiple world-class ore bodies and mines, and B, is because no one's ever looked at before apart from us. So it's a new exciting journey with some huge upside.
Now, assays from drilling at the Melia project showed presence of critical minerals, including nickel and rare earths. What impact will this have on the prospectivity of the Yalgoo region?
Sure, the Yalgoo region is already well known as a polymetallic or multiple commodity area. There is gold, silver, zinc, copper, tungsten, but this confirms the presence of multiple elements. In terms of the prospectivity specifically for Tempest, we were looking for copper gold in this area, and we found these other elements which we frankly weren't expecting, and that's exciting, which means that there's more opportunity for us there.
And you recently increased mineral exploration land holding in the Yalgoo region. What is your strategy for making discoveries here?
Oh, look, it's always about evolving situations. So in this particular instance, we have two project areas. One of them is Melia, we just spoke about. And through our work in the field, doing mapping and sampling and drilling, we've come to realise that the sequence of rocks that no one's ever looked at before, it extends further than even we realised. And this new holding in that particular instance extends our holding a long strike into this area.
And the wholly owned subsidiary of the company, West Resource Ventures, is gearing up for a new IPO. What are the key expectations for this?
Sure, there's plenty of expectations on us in that regard. What we're doing is we're combining our Western Australia hard rock lithium exploration projects with an exciting brine lithium project in Nevada. And the new IPO is going to be called Electra Minerals, and we're planning on raising somewhere in the order of $10 plus million at IPO. And we are currently in the pre-IPO fundraising stage and looking for partners to do that. So we're very excited about getting that on the market later this year.
And how do you see the investment of $1 million in Tolu Minerals shape up, especially as Tolu intends to list in February?
Sure, it's a great investment for us. In theory, if they list at their intended price, our investment makes a substantial or increases in value substantially. But more so is the Tempest has a goal of becoming not just a small junior explorer, and we have intention of becoming a larger entity. And part of that strategy is investing in things and being exposed to that production and production upside in the market.
And just finally, Don, what does Tempest hope to accomplish in the year ahead?
Look, heaps of things. We're going to be doing more drilling and a lot of field exploration as always. And also you have asked several questions about our corporate activities with Electra and Poly, advancing those as well. So should be lots of news flow and exciting information for stakeholders and shareholders to pay attention to in the coming months.
Excellent. We'd love to catch up with you and hear all about that. Thanks so much for your time today, Don.
Thanks, Lorraine.
Thank you. Now, thanks for joining us today. That was Don Smith, Managing Director of Tempest Minerals. And if you missed any part of that chat, you can catch the full interview on our YouTube channel at Kalkine Media, so make sure to subscribe. I'm Rachel, reminding you to stay apprised and invest wise with Kalkine.